Hi, Mr. Azlan, the landlord here. It's Tuesday, 29th of June 2020, and just over 1 week before I have my second vaccination. Anyway, I'm having a high antioxidant citrus smoothie right now. What I've got in here are 12 red globe grapes, half a grapefruit, one Valencia orange, and a few dashes of my Chaat masala and cold water, and that's it. No seeds and no soybeans. So I'm gonna taste it. Well, I had a taste. I had what do you call it? I had a glass earlier. It was not as sweet as I liked it to be. I should have added some dates. That would have sweetened it up. Okay, so that's it. See you next time. Bye.